there pilots, drone nerds and UAV enthusiasts, come take a feature deep dive with me for the Mini 5 Pro. This might just be the most advanced drone under 250 grams ever. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is tiny, but don't let the size fool you. This thing is seriously powerful. It's ideal for pro-level video work, navigating complex spaces, and unlocking creative freedom in the air without bulk. And if you're wondering how it stacks up for visual performance, let's dive into the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 50 megapixel stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second in HDR. This isn't some scaled down sensor either. It's the same wide-angle sensor used in DJI's Air 3S and a massive upgrade of the Mini 4 Pro. That bigger sensor gives you 14 stops of dynamic range, meaning deeper shadows and more detail in highlights. In practical terms, you can shoot sunrises, cityscapes and low light scenes without crushed blacks or blown out skies. And with 10-bit colour and H.265 codec support, you're capturing over 1 billion colours, ideal for post-production workflows. Now let's talk about how you actually frame those shots, because the gimbal is here. It gives you more freedom than ever. The gimbal setup here is seriously flexible. You get 225-degree roll rotation and true vertical shooting, so you can shoot for TikTok or Instagram Reels natively with zero cropping. Want tighter framing? Use the 48mm Med Tele mode, a 2x zoom that delivers higher resolution and better subject isolation than digital zoom. Backed by portrait optimization algorithms, so skin tones and contrast look natural even in harsh light. Now all of that's great until you crash into a tree, talking from experience. Let's talk about how the Mini 5 Pro stays safe even in complex environments. Now, here's where the Mini 5 Pro really pulls ahead. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing that works in low light thanks to a combination of LiDAR, infrared and fisheye sensors on every side. Most drones in this category require at least 15 lux of ambient light to detect objects. The Mini 5 Pro, it works with just 1 lux, roughly the brightness of a street lamp. That's night flight ready. And if you lose GPS, no worries, with non-GNSS return to home, it can still safely return using onboard vision and mapping, ideal for flying in tight urban zones or tree cover. Of course, seeing obstacles is one thing, but staying locked onto your subject while avoiding them, that's where Active Track comes in. Tracking has got smarter too. Active Track 360 degrees now gives you customizable paths plus 2 intelligent tracking modes. Number 1 is standard, smooth cinematic follow. And number 2, cycling, tighter, faster tracking for high-speed movement. It can even flip to rear tracking mode if needed, keeping you in frame from behind, especially when obstacles are in the front. The maximum tracking speed is 15 meters per second or around 54 kilometers an hour. That's fast enough to track a bike, car or skier. Okay, let's talk endurance and practicality, because power and features mean nothing if your drone can't keep up. You get a 20-kilometer transmission range using DJI's new O4 Plus system, which also helps the signal strength in high interference areas. Flight time up to 36 minutes with intelligent flight battery and just 115 minutes to recharge 3 batteries using the two-way hub. And here's a small but massive win. The Mini 5 Pro includes 42 gig of internal storage. So forget your SD card, you've still got backup storage, enough for full 4K coverage. So why does all of this matter in a drone this size? let's wrap up with what makes the Mini 5 Pro such a standout. All of this fits into a drone that weighs just 249.9 grams. That means it's C0 certified under EU regs, no license required, and fewer restrictions across the UK and Europe. You get flagship level performance in something compact enough to take you literally anywhere. Aspiring creators, seasoned drone pilots, and content teams alike will appreciate the balance of portability and power. So that's our deep dive into the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact drone built with creators and pros in mind. Need help deciding if it's right for you? Our teams are here to help. Or simply visit our website to explore the Mini 5 Pro in more detail. Until next time, have fun flying!